mean, median, and mode. Okay. Sige, let's start with our discussion. Chapter 2, Data Management, Measures of Central Tendency, Lesson 2. Okay, so let's proceed in our discussion po, students. No? So our objective for today, at the end of this lesson, no, students are expected to learn about, expected to discern the appropriate measure of central tendency to use, get the measure of central tendency using the worksheet function, and solve problems that involve getting mean, median, and mode. Okay, so first, let's define now what is a measure of central tendency. So, pag sinasabing measure of central tendency, okay, kindly take note, that is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within the set, and it is often referred to as the average. So it means if we are going to define the central tendency, so take note central, no, center. So you need to describe, you need to find, no, what is the central position of the given set of elements. Okay, so it means pag sinasabing central tendency, that is average, no? So yung mga mean, median, ay yung mode and median is kasali na diyan, pero it refers to the average, no, as a whole. And the key measures of the central tendency, that is arithmetic mean, so you commonly known as average. Okay, and it is the sum of all values divided by the number of values, and median, the middle value of a data set when it is arranged in order. Now, descending order, ascending order, highest number to lowest number to highest number, so vice versa. Okay, and the mode naman, the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Okay, so you need to arrange first, no, all the elements or the data, and after that find the most frequent number, find the most frequent data. Okay, that is mode. And the sum of all scores divided by number of the scores, ito yung mean, no, for yung formulas naman, no, this mean, this symbol po, students, so nakita nyo dyan itong symbol, no, so ang tawag dyan is mu, no, mu. So spelling sa mu is mu, no, murag unggoy. Okay, okay, yon for the population mean, and bar x naman, itong bar x for the sample mean. So, if you're going to solve the mean of the population per student, no, in the entire data, so you need to use the symbol mu. No, if you are going to solve the sample mean, sample, no, from its entire population, you need to get a sample, small group. So you need to use bar x or mean. Okay. So for the geometric mean naman, no, so used for finding the average of growth rates, no, GM, no, so is equal to summation nth root, no, nth root x sub 1, x sub 2 to x sub n, no, if you are finding the growth rates, no. And for the harmonic mean naman, HM is equal to n, okay, divided by summation of n, and I is equal to 1 over x sub I. Okay. And the weighted mean, no? So this is known for general weighted average. And take note, dapat alam nyo po kung ano po yung pag-solve, kung paano po mag-solve, paano mag-analyze ng general weighted average, no, or JEWA. So take note, hindi po ito JOWA, no, JEWA po ito, no, your grade, no, in entire um, semester, no, from first year hanggang fourth year. So, so ito, now, what is the definition of weighted mean? No, that is the average that gives different weights to different data points. No, example, no, general weighted average or JY in academic settings where subject have different unit weights. So take note, 'di ba? As you receive your prospectus, 'di ba? Meron kayong mga prospectus, dapat na nakatake kayo ng picture, no, So, dapat meron kayong copy sa prospectus because in every subject po ng prospectus, meron po yung equivalent weights. Okay, meron yung corresponding weights po, no? So, units yan. No? For example, math. No, ilang units yung math nyo? Tatlo? Okay, tatlo, no? How about the uh, purposive communication? Tatlo rin, no? So in this first semester po class, meron po kayong tatlong units in every subject. And yung PE nyo is 2 units lang yon, no? Pero dito sa STICAS is hindi kasali po si PE, no? To 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 solve the JEWA, no? So only the 3 units lang, no? Kasali na yung NSTP nyo. So, tuturuan ko po kayo, no, kung paano mag-solve ng JEWA. No, baka kasali ka, no, sa maging cum laude, maging summa cum laude, no, so, or maging magna cum laude here in STICAS. So, dapat alam nyo po kung paano mag-solve, no. Kaya basin magprotesta mo sa STICAS, no, ya karon kay di ka kabalo mag-solve sa JEWA, no. Okay. So ito yung formula, no, to solve the JEWA, no. The weighted mean denoted by WM na is calculated by dividing the sum of weighted score by the sum of weights. Okay, so for example, sum weighted score, so you need to multiply muna, no, yung weights and yung grade mo, no. Then after that, summation yan. Lahat ng na-multiply mo is summation mo yan and i-divide sa sum weight, sa total number of units. So, example, na ito. Dominic grades are based on credits, no, which act as weights. And how do we find general weighted average for this? No, so, take note that ito yung corresponding credits and ito yung grade, no. So, 3 credits, no, 1.25 grade, no, 3 credits, 120, 1.5, 4 credits po, 1.5, 5 credits sa biochemistry, 1.75, and biostat, 4 credits and 2.0 nga grade. Ngayon, you need to multiply muna, no? You need to multiply the credits and its grade, no? So, lahat ng grade, no, ilang subject po yon? 5, no? So, ito yung mga subject niya, no? So, i-multiply lang po yung, ito po, balikan na to. Wait lang. Multiply mo lang yung 3 credits, no, to 1.25, yan. And 3 credits to 1.5, no. I-multiply mo lang ito, no. Okay. So, yan. So, after multiplying po students, may multiply mo muna, no. After multiplying, i-add mo summation, no. So, ito yung results niya, 31. And take note, the weights of each subject po is yung ito, no, 3 credits, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4. Yan. Summation lang po, no, i-add mo lang yan lahat, 19. So, 31 divided by 19 is approximately 1.63 po yung JEWA, no? JEWA ni Dominic. Okay, nag-gets po ba, student? So, i-multiply mo lang yung grade and the number of units. No, for example lang sa inyo, no? Si Pocholo nakakuha ng 81, no, kasama ang unfortunately nakakuha siya 81, no, sa math, no, 81. And how many units ang yung math, no? Tatlo, no. So 81 times 3. Then in the purposive communication naman ako si Pocholo ng 95. 95 times 3. Yan, no. I-multiply mo yung units and yung grade, then after that i-add mo lahat, then after adding, i-add mo lahat ng number of units. Siguro meron kayong 21 units, no? Ayan, for example lang, no? I-divide by 21 units. And that is the JEWA. So, another example, no? To pass the mathematics in the modern world, no, a student's overall grade must be greater than or equal to, mali po ito, student, ha? No, 71, no? Performance is based on the three major exam, no? The weights of the exams are 20%, 30%, and 50%, no? For the midterm exam, semi-final exam, and final exam, respectively, Dominic scored 73 and 70 in the midterm semi-final exam, no? Respectively, what should Dominic's minimum score to be in the final exam to pass the course. So ito yung table natin, no? So by applying the Polius four steps method to understand the problem, so what would be the scores, no, in the final exam para makapass po siya, no? So dapat the final grade must be greater than or equal to 70. Example lang, no, 70. So ito yung mga score niya, no? In the semi-final exam, no, 70, and in the midterm exam is 73, no? So what would be the next score, no, para makuha natin yung more than 70 or equal to 70 para makapass po siya, no? So ito yung mga given natin sa midterm, nakakuha po siya ng 73, sa semi-final exam is 70. Okay? So the final grade must be greater than or equal to 70. Now, solve for x. No? The sum of weights in decimal form is 1. So ito yon, no? 73 times 0.20 plus 70 times 0.30. So ito yung results niya. 35.6. Okay? 0.50x. Okay? So ito yung sagot niya dito, ha, kanina 35.6, no? 73 times 0.20, kung magkano yan, i-add mo lang sa 70 times 0.30. And ito yung result niya, 35.6. So after that, na i-transpose mo lang yung yung 35, no, doon sa kabila, no. So yun, no, 0.50 x is greater than or equal to 35.6, and i-divide mo lang yan, 0.50. So yun, yung sagot dito is 71.2. Yan. So in the next score is dapat makakuha siya ng at least 71.2, no, in the final exam. Okay, so yun, no. So mode naman, so that is the most frequent data, no, kung ano yung bumabalik na data. For example, 56541, no, dito sa given set of an elements. So saan po dito ang bumabalik na data, no? Si si 5, no. And yung sa isa, yung BACBE. So ano yung bumabalik diyan na data?
Letter B, sir.
Ano po?
Letter B.
Letter B.
B, sir. B.
Okay. So letter B. Okay, so in the median naman, no, the median is the middle value of the rank set of the data. No? If the scores in a data set are ranked and listed one by one on a strip of a paper, no, when the paper is folded in the middle, where the fold lands is where the median is found. So pag median, middle, no? Mid, yan, no? Middle. So in median, no, meron tayong odd number and even number. Now, what if even number, no? Even number ba? Yung example lang, meron tayong 6 element. No, how will we solve that one? No, pag add number, okay lang. No, pag add number, example lang, meron tayong 7 elements. So after nimo ma-arrange, no, highest to lowest, lowest to highest, after ma-arrange po student, pangita naman to nimo ang middle. No, pero pag even number, so dapat what's next, no? So example natin dito. Six babies were born during the day. No, the administration station of the pediatric, no, ward reports their weights in kilograms. So find the median weight. So how many baby po? Anim, no. So ito yung mga kilogram, no, bugatan ni Coronel Rudy, no, ni Kiambu day 3.6, no. Yun sa man pag-utong sa mama, no. So dako kayo 3.6. So ito yung weight niya. So i-try niyo i-solve po, student. No, so I give you 5 minutes, no, to solve that one. So una is i-arrange mo ito. So i-arrange natin, oh, 2.4 to comma What's next? 2.5,
2.5, 2.8,
2.8,
3.0, 3.0, sir. Tapos
3.0, and
3.2 and 3.6, sir.
3.2 and 3.6. So ano yung median dito? So wala na ito, no?
Ay,
Wala na ito. Wala na ni... So wa mo ti makancel re. What's next pag ganyan? So you need to add, no? The two middle number. 2.8 plus 3.0 divided by 2. No? So pila man class, no? 2.8 plus 3.0 is 5.8.
5.8
Uh,
sir.
po.
divided by 2, 2 point, kano po? Ano yung final results po? Results. 5.8 divided by 2. So, yung results niya is 2 point,
2.24, sir.
2.24. Tama ba? Baka mali.
Wait, sir.
What is the results po? 2.5.8 divided by 2 is 2.9.
Yeah.
So, the median score po, no, in the 6 babies, meron po tayong 2.9. So, yan, no? So, yan po yung pag-solve ng median. No, pag yung given is even number. Even number po kasi ito, no, kay 6 babies man. Pero how about 7 babies, no? Mag-add tayo ng 2.9 here. For example lang. So, i-arrange mo lang, no? So, find the middle number. Yan, 2.9. So, ito po, no? So, try nyong, for the purpose of knowing the economic class of a student, teacher Marco collected information about the monthly family incomes of his 11 student. Family income is based on the combined earnings of parents. Incomes are in the thousand pesos. No? Find the mean, median income. No? Find the mean and median income for this uh, family income. No? So I give you 5 minutes, no, to solve this one. So una, kunin mo na yung mean, mean. So i-add mo lahat, i-divide mo kung ilang families yan. Sige, try nyong i-solve po, student. I give you 5 minutes mo to solve that one.
Sir, sa ito magkuha sa main, sir. I-add tanan, tapos i-divide kung pila ka.
Yeah.
Sige, sige.
So, what is the value of mean po, students?
57.54, sir.
57
7.54.
mean? Sure?
Yes,
So, ito yung mean. 61.7. No? Kindly check your solution po, no? And yung median naman, no, na median income is 26, no? So 26,000 yung median, no? So, let's try.
sir, nako sir.
Ay, hindi yung median po dito is dapat i-add mo itong dalawa. Yes po.
20, duha man ang 26, ay duha ang 26 po, sir. So, 28 po ang median.
Dalawa yung 26.
Dalawa ang 26, sir.
Oo, tama.
11 po, kabukang number,
So,
sir.
mali yung dito, no? So, erase natin to. So, dapat isang 26 dito. Tama. No? So, the median score here is 26. No? Okay. So, yan, 26. No? And the purpose of commuting for the average, no? So, yung purpose po dyan, class, no, is to produce an output that will describe the essential character of a data set, no? But the extreme values do sway, no, the results of the mean, in which case the average that is obtained does not fairly represent the population or the sample. And that, using the spreadsheet naman, class, no, ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin yung spreadsheet, no? So, wait lang, no? In using the spreadsheet, okay, allow me to stop my presenting po, students, no? And using the spreadsheet, wait lang, Excel. Kita nyo, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yan po yung Excel, no? So, in Excel po, student, no, for example, maglagay kayo ng mga data dito sa baba. Ito, sa column 1, row 1, no? Dito sa isang column, column A lang, no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, no? 3, ayan. 10 data, no? So, after that, no, is maglagay ka lang dito ng for the average, no? Average dito yung una. Average dito, dito is mean, mode, and median. Okay. So, to compute, no? Para ma-compute natin to, i-highlight ko ha. Yung 2 hanggang sa 3 is equals ka lang, no? Equal or equal. Maglagay ka ng equal sign, no? After that, na search mo yung i-type mong average, no? Average, yan. So, 'di ba merong average dito, no? 'Di ba? Okay, average, then i-point mo yung 2, shift ka. Shift going to 3, no? So, A1 is to A10. Pwede rin i-manual mo, no? A1, yan, semicolon, then A10, column A, row 10, close parenthesis. Kuha po, see the magic.
Yes, sir.
See the magic. Simple nga eh. No? So, naagian naman nyo na sa inyong IT. So, for the mode naman, may bumalik na number, no? Si 2 and lagyan pa natin ng isa. Trade dito. So, di ba, pag lagyan mo ng ibang number, automatically, yung average is mag-change po siya. No? So, yung mode naman, equal, no? type mo yung mode, no? Open parenthesis, A, A1, ito, A1, semicolon, to A10, A10. And that is the mode 3. Kuha. Okay. So, class, no, pwede nyo itong i-take note na formula. Itong sa taas, yung mode is equal to, yan. Take note nyo yan. No, magamit na ninyo pohon, mag-bookkeeping mo. No, gamit using this spreadsheet. No. Next naman, median. No. How to solve the median? Is equal, no, median, open parenthesis, A1 to A10. Median is 3. Nakuha po, students. No?
Yes, sir.
Oh, simple. No? So, meron po akong insert no na another discussion po no about the mean, median and mode po. Wait lang. Meron po kasi akong i-clarify no doon sa unang discussion ko. So, wait lang. Dito. Tama na given no na one. Change ko muna yung sa yan, yan. So, screenshot ko muna. Meron po akong insert no na solving. So, nakita niyo class no. Hello, nakita niyo students. Ay, wala day. Wait.
Wala pa, sir.
Doon sa unang solution na about the weights no. So, yun. Balikan natin yung problem, students. Now, to pass the mathematics in the modern world, students' overall grade is dapat greater than equal to 75, no? So, yan po yung requirement natin dito sa STICAS, no? So, dapat more than 75 yung grade nyo. Now, automatically, that is 3.5, no? Wala na pong 3.6 here in STICAS no, student, no? Pag below 75, no, or 3.6, automatically, 5.0 na yan, no? Field na yan. So, ito yung weights, no, in every subject, 20%, 30%, and 50%, no? So, malaki yung sa final, no, na percentage, no? So yung score ni Dominic is 73 and 70 in the midterm and semifinal. So, what would be the possible, no, in the last, no, in the final exam? So, ito yung score niya, ito yung mga weights, no? Final exam 0.50. So, dapat class, no, more than 75 yung makuha ni kung you need to analyze po, no, kanang bana-banaon lang nimo ba? 73, 70, pwede na siya mabagsak, no? What would be the possible, no, grade niya pag sa final exam? So, using the algebraic, no, equation, no, so we need to apply na lang po, no, 73 times 0.20 multiply lang, no, yung midterm weights and score. Next, plus summation man 0.30, okay, times 70 plus 0.50 x. X lang, no, wala man tayo ma-multiply, wa may value ang x, no. So it means maglagay tayo ng x dito, no, x. So dapat greater than or equal to 75. So una, i-multiply natin 'to. So 14.6 yan, no? Plus 0.30 times 70, 21 yarn, no? Plus 0.50 x greater than or equal to 75. So i-add mo lang ito. So 35.6 plus 0.50, 50x na greater than or equal to 75. So class, bawal po itong ma-add, no? Walang like terms diyan, no? 35.6, no? So ilipat mo lang yung 35.6 dito, 0.50 transpose, no, addition property of equality. No? 75 divided by minus by 35.6, 0.50 x, no? Dapat merong x dito. 75 minus 35.6 is equal to 39.4. So, i-divide both sides, class, no? Para ma-remove yung 0.50, matira lang yung x, no? 0.50 divided by 0.50 is 1 man. Automatically, x na lang po, no? And 39.4 divided by 0.50 is equal to 78, 0.78. Ay, 78.8 yan. Dili 0. 78.8. So, si Dominic is need po niya is makakuha ng 78.8 sa final exam in order to pass the mathematics in the modern world subject. So, yun lang, no? 78.8. Pag below 78.8, so it means pwede siya mabagsak, ma-fail. So, yun lang, no? I-correct lang nako yung mali nako nga solving ganiya. Mali to siya. Sige, stop na ko ang record.